How about a mobile GPS for your iPhone? Well, our next guests are going to do just that for you. First of all, Vice President of Worldwide Mobile Phone and OEM Business is Gerhard Mayr, is it?
Yes, that's very nice.
How are you, Gerhard? Nice to see you.
I'm doing very good.
And Public Relations Manager for Navigon is Johan-Till.
That is absolutely correct.
Oh, very good. Well, welcome. Glad to have you with us as well.
Thanks for having us.
We'll keep you leaning in so you're in the light. There we go.
Okay, no problem.
Because not only are we doing show and tell on the radio, but we're doing video of all the interviews so our audience can come and see you on the website and know who everyone is that's speaking. Tell me about what you're announcing here at IFA.
So what we have for you today is our iPhone navigation app. And it basically turns your iPhone into a complete navigation device. So you can, the iPhone 3GS has a GPS device, a GPS receiver built in. Right. So with our app, you get turn-by-turn directions. And we were actually the first company to launch an onboard iPhone app, which means that the map material is saved on the device. So you don't need to pay any subscription fees. You don't rely on a cell phone connection. You just buy the app in the App Store, you download it to your iPhone, and then you're ready to go. You can plug it on your windshield, and you get directions, turn-by-turn directions. We have a couple of very unique features, like Reality View. It shows you 3D images of complex highway interchanges. That's one of our unique features that we have.
We're looking at that even right now. I somehow figured it out, which means it's got to be easy to use. We're showing that on the video as well. So again, folks listening on the radio, have no fear. Just come by our site, intotomorrow.com or graveline.com whenever you have a chance and see the video. It's very intuitive, very easy to use, very colorful. And why not? You don't have to buy a separate GPS unit.
Right, and I mean, you have your iPhone always with you, and you don't need to take an extra device with you, which makes it really convenient. Also, if you're just walking around the city, we have a pedestrian mode that you can use as well. And, I think to us it was very important to not just take a navigation software from a navigation device and put it simply on the iPhone, but really integrate it into the environment of the iPhone and adapt to the iPhone functions.
Sure.
So what we did is you can for example flip from landscape to portrait mode. Right. You can directly call in point of interest. You can navigate to a point of interest that you have in here. And
the lady inside is getting frustrated. She keeps talking. Apparently because we're not leaving the broadcast booth. It's like, well, come on, I'm trying to tell you how to get there. Go already, right? But now, is this a combination of actual GPS satellite system and or ground-based cellular towers, or how is it giving us these directions and getting us there? For example, we're in a building here in the convention center, one of the halls, and yet she's picking up all kinds of good things. Of course, it is a simulation for demonstration, I understand.
Right. I mean, that is a very good question. You, of course, need a GPS signal to use the app, and that's also why we recommend that you use a windshield mount, so that the receiver has free view to the sky, and you have a very good reception. Yeah. So you need a GPS signal. That is absolutely correct.
And Gerhard, I'm imagining that because you mentioned the ability for pedestrians too, that's becoming more and more popular. If it's your first visit to Berlin, for example, and you want to get around and go from the Brandenburg Gate to other places and see all the sites, and perhaps you're on a walking tour, you glance down at your phone and it gets you where you need to go.
Absolutely right. We always make sure that really the pedestrian as well as the car indeed has the car user has the same flexibility by using our software. So you can switch really from the pedestrian to the car navigation mode instantly.
And is this app available now?
It is available now in the App Store.
Okay. And how much is it?
It is $89.99.
$89.99 or euros?
It's dollars.
Dollars, okay, gotcha.
For the US version.
Sure.
We have a couple of different versions. So, for example, if someone from the US wants to travel to Europe, we have a European version, we have an Australian version. Excellent. We have a couple of nice things coming up, a couple of new features coming up.
Very quickly, what is it called so folks know how to find it in the App Store?
Navigon Mobile Navigator.
Navigon, Navigon.
That's correct.
And, of course, that's the website as well, navigon.com. We'll link you there, and you get more information when you visit us at intotomorrow.com. More from IFA Berlin next hour. Don't go away.